Hello and welcome to GrossiMath.com, where math is for everyone. Today we're going to be looking at question 36 from the 2017 Algebra 1 STAAR. This is a backup video because we've already done one strategy for this problem, but now we're going to try to do it with the TI-Nspire calculator. So let's get started. Okay, so let's say I'm taking the Algebra STAAR and I completely forget some of my vocabulary words. Maybe I'm just I'm panicking on the test, or maybe I'm tired. I've been working on this test for a long time. And I prefer to do this problem by calculator rather than by just knowledge. Okay, that's fine. You have the calculator with you, so you still are allowed to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is press Control-N to get my calculator to a fresh screen and start a new problem. Okay, now I need to pick a calculator strategy. Well, in this problem I can see that I have an ordered pair. It says that there's an equation of a line that passes through the point, negative 87, 60. So that point has an x and a y. So that's a classic GRT strategy, and I'm going to show that to you. And now slope is a classic GRA keyword, and I'm going to show that to you as well. Okay, so that means there are two steps for this problem. The first step involves the ordered pair, so GRT, and the second step involves the slope, so GRA. Lucky for us, we can take a few shortcuts that will cut down on the time for the problem. Okay, so here I'm going to go to number 2, that's the G, graph. And that's the G in GRT, that means graph. The R stands for relation, so you delete the equal sign and you push number 6. That's the relation button. And once you've deleted it, you're going to put in the first equation that you see, x equals negative 87. Because that's the first answer we'll test. X equals negative 87. Okay. So now we're going to take a look at the line. But there's nothing on the screen. Oh no, the calculator's not working. No, that's not true. Actually, what happened is negative 87 is a really big number. Or a really small number, actually. And right here, I can only see up to the number 7. So the line exists, it's just way, way down there. It's just something that I've got to find. So an easy way to do that is to make the calculator find it for you. So we'll push trace. So we were doing GRT, graph, relation. We think there's a line on there, and we're going to try to trace it. So let's do that. Menu, 5, 1. See? And the calculator immediately went to it automatically. And now I can press Enter, Escape. Once I press Enter, Escape, I'm going to grab the ordered pair, and I'm going to look closely at it. Okay, it says negative 87 with 0. But the negative 87 looks okay. I just need that 0 to change to a 60. And if the calculator accepts it, then that's a valid point. Okay, so negative 87 and 60 are on this line. That step 1 is done. Now I'm going to check step 2, GRA. Lucky for us, GRA is very similar. They're like cousins. So we already did graph, and we already did relation. Therefore, we only need the A. So we're going to go for Analyze. Menu, 6. And inside Analyze, if our keyword says slope, we're going to use this little guy, dy dx. Okay, so we're going to come over here and put number 5. Again, that was menu 6, 5. All right. So now I'm going to take that little finger that's floating around the screen, and I'm just going to put it on the line. And once I do that, I can see a word. The slope is undefined. Well, this says the slope should be 0. So that means that on the final test, answer A failed. Okay, so answer A is out. Let's try answer B. If the numbers are weird, guys, and you have to do multiple steps, I really recommend that you just start it over as if it was a new problem. Control-N, choose no, graph. Now we can start picking up the speed because you've seen all the steps already. And I'm going to put x equals 60. Where did I get x equals 60 from? Choice B. Remember, you're just testing answer choices. Okay, now I'm going to do menu, 5, 1. enter, escape. I feel like it's awkward that I keep looking to this side. My calculator's over here. You guys see it over there, but mine is over here. So just bear with me. If I'm staring to the right, that's the reason why. Okay, now I look at the... Okay, I look at the ordered pair. There's a 60. No, we don't want that 60. So let's put over here negative 87. And you see, it cannot go to that location, meaning that the point is not on that line. It's not valid. So we're going to press OK, accepting that, and that means choice B is out. Okay, let's try choice C. Again, if the numbers are large, I recommend trying it out as if it's a new problem. Control N, put the number 2, delete the equal sign, and put the number 6. That's G and R, graph, relation. And now I'm going to put y equals 60. Okay, again, the graph is not there, but we don't panic about that because most of the time, again, 60 is a big number and it can be off the screen. So menu. Now the T in GRT is traced, so 5, 1, enter, escape. Now I have an ordered pair here. I'm going to go on top of that 0, and of course I'm going to change it just like we did before to negative 87. And look at that. Now it's a perfect match. Negative 87, comma 60. It went there, which means the point exists on the line. If it doesn't exist on the line, you're going to get an error message or you're going to get numbers that don't match. Okay. But right now we've got negative 87 and 60 on the line, and that is perfect. Okay, now we're going to go to step 2. Remember, there's a 2-step to this guy. We got to check the slope. So menu, analyze, and slope. Remember, slope is dy dx. Okay, so there we go. I put that. And now look, look at that. It looks great. Right there is the best thing we could have seen, the number 0. Because it says, does the line have negative 87, 60? Yes, it does. Does the line have a slope of 0? Yes, it does. And that means that this must be the correct answer. So I'm going to shoot over here to the other screen, and we're going to check our answer. We said it was C. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, look at that little green check mark. So I know that I feel like this video took a long time. However, we practiced 2 strategies, not just one. So that's actually a really good deal. 2 strategies for 1 problem. So but they're still very easy. First, check the point, GRT, graph relation trace, and make sure that you can type in those 2 numbers to get a perfect match. Okay? Then the second one is checking the slope, GRA, analyze. And remember that slope is dy dx. If you can match both, you've got a perfect answer. All right. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.